Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we will discuss one question of profit reconciliation statement where loss as per cost book is given. Let us read question. From the following information, find out profit or loss as per financial records. Over absorption of selling and distribution overheads. Here absorption word is used in relation to cost book. Over absorption of selling and distribution overheads 3000 means in cost book we have taken selling overheads 3000 more than financial book. Overvaluation of closing stock in cost account. Under absorption of office and administration overheads as per cost book. Loss as per cost account 85,000. So this will be a starting point for solving the sum. Excess depreciation charge in financial account 4,500. Our solution will start with loss as per cost book. So that has been taken as the first amount column and second common column is taken as financial book amounts. Over absorption of selling and distribution overheads 3000. So this has been taken more in cost book. So we'll put this 3000 figure in cost book column. In financial column it will be nil. That means whatever amount is actual paid in financial book, in cost book we have shown 3000 more. Overvaluation of closing stock in cost account 13,800. Closing stock have effect like income. To the credit of trading account, we record closing stock. Sales is also recorded on credit side. Any incomes are also recorded on credit side. So closing stock have effect of income. So this overvaluation of closing stock in cost book results in more income in cost book. So we put this figure 13,800 in cost book column. In financial column it will be nil. That means whatever is the amount of closing stock of finished goods in financial book, we have taken 13,800 more in cost book. Under absorption of office and administration overheads 24,700. It means we have taken office and administration overheads less in cost book and more in financial book. So we'll put the difference in financial book indicating that whatever amount of administration overheads recorded in cost book, in financial book it is more by 24,700. Excess depreciation charge in financial account 4,500. So depreciation more charge in financial book. So we'll put 4,500 in financial column. That means whatever depreciation recorded in cost book, in financial book it is more by 4,500. Now we have recorded all the amounts. Now from first amount column we will deduct the amounts in second column. So 3000 minus 0, it will be plus 3000. 0 minus 24,700, it will be minus 24,700. 0 minus 4,500. It will be minus 4,500. Now in case of income, we are required to reverse the sign. 13,800 minus nil, it comes plus 13,800, but we are required to take as what? Minus. We will be using this working note to find out profit or loss as per financial book. Loss as per cost account 85,000. This will be starting point. In second column we have put 85,000. As it is a loss, it is a negative figure. So we are putting bracket over here. To this we will be adding over absorption of selling and distribution overheads 3,000. Overvaluation of closing stock in cost book 13,800. Overvaluation of closing stock in cost book 13,800 will have to take in less category. Under absorption of office and administration overheads 24,700. Excess depreciation in financial account 4,500. So we get here minus 40,000. This 85,000 is also a negative figure. So 85,000 negative, 40,000 negative. It will be 1,25,000. So this will be loss as per financial book. If this figure we get positive, then it would have been profit as per financial book. This is also a loss, it's a negative figure. So we have learned how to prepare profit reconciliation statement when loss as per cost book is given. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.